Today we are going to learn about mastering MLflow Model Registry workflows. This video will teach you how to utilize MLflow Model Registry for efficient model management and deployment, ensuring reliable production-ready models. Welcome to the introduction of MLflow Model Registry. In today's data-driven world, managing machine learning models effectively is as crucial as developing them. MLflow Model Registry is a powerful tool that aids in organizing and managing model versions, transitions, and deployment. It acts as a central hub for all your model operations, enabling data scientists and engineers to maintain a comprehensive understanding of model status and history within production environments. This part of the video will walk you through the basics of what the MLflow Model Registry is and why it's vital for your ML operations. We will explore the different components of MLflow and how they interact to provide a seamless model management experience. By the end of this section, you'll understand how MLflow can simplify complex model lifecycle processes and ensure your models are always production ready. Setting up a model registry is the first step towards efficient model management. Before diving into the setup, ensure you have all necessary prerequisites, such as a functioning MLflow server and access to a database for storing registry information. Begin by creating a new registry instance and setting up the necessary configurations. This involves defining environment variables, database connections, and ensuring that your MLflow tracking server is correctly integrated with the registry. It's essential to integrate your registry with existing tools and platforms within your organization to maximize its potential. After completing the initial setup, verify that your registry is functioning correctly by testing basic operations like model registration and versioning. This setup lays the groundwork for efficient model management and deployment processes. Throughout this section, we'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to establish a robust model registry.
Registering a new model version is a crucial part of model lifecycle management. It begins with selecting a model to register, typically one that has been trained and tested. Once selected, the model is assigned a unique version number, establishing a clear versioning strategy that helps track changes over time. This process is vital for maintaining the integrity and reproducibility of your models. Alongside the model, metadata such as model performance metrics, training parameters, and deployment notes should be documented. This information is invaluable for future audits and improvements. After registration, verify the model's compatibility with your production environment by running tests and ensuring it meets all required performance benchmarks. This block will guide you through the process of registering a new model version comprehensively, ensuring you understand each aspect of maintaining a systematic versioning strategy.
Transitioning models between stages is a critical step in model deployment. The MLflow Model Registry provides clear pathways for moving models from development to staging and finally to production. Each stage transition requires specific criteria to be met, ensuring that only models meeting quality and performance standards advance. Setting up a staging environment is crucial for testing models in conditions similar to production, allowing for thorough evaluation and debugging. Production readiness checks include verifying model performance, scalability, and integration with other system components. Continuous monitoring and feedback collection in the production environment help maintain model efficacy and facilitate timely updates. In this section, we will delve into the nuances of transitioning model stages, providing you with the knowledge to manage these transitions effectively and confidently. Effective management of model versions and associated metadata is key to a successful ML workflow. Version control strategies, such as semantic versioning, provide a structured approach to tracking model changes and updates. Metadata plays a crucial role in this process, offering insights into model performance, configurations, and deployment histories. Comprehensive audit trails and thorough documentation enhance transparency, reproducibility, and compliance with industry standards. Various tools and platforms integrate seamlessly with MLflow to manage versions, ensuring that your models are not only up to date but also aligned with organizational objectives. This section will equip you with strategies and tools to maintain an organized and efficient model versioning system, ensuring long-term success in your ML endeavors.
Automation is a cornerstone of modern ML operations, and integrating MLflow with continuous integration and continuous deployment, C/CD, pipelines is a game changer. C/CD pipelines streamline the deployment process, reducing manual intervention and minimizing deployment risks. By integrating MLflow, you can automate the registration, staging, and deployment of models, ensuring a consistent and efficient workflow. Automated deployment allows for rapid iteration and testing, enabling quick feedback loops and optimization. This section will guide you through the process of setting up C/CD pipelines with MLflow, detailing the steps to automate deployment and monitor deployed models for performance and reliability. By the end of this block, you'll understand how to leverage automation to improve deployment efficiency and reduce operational risks.
Adopting best practices in model lifecycle management is essential for sustaining long-term success in ML operations. Establishing robust governance frameworks ensures that models adhere to organizational standards and industry regulations. Ensuring model reliability involves regular performance evaluations and updates, adapting to new data and changing requirements. Continuous learning is crucial, encouraging teams to stay informed about the latest advancements and methodologies. Effective communication with stakeholders facilitates transparency and alignment with business objectives. Additionally, implementing risk management strategies helps anticipate and mitigate potential challenges in the model lifecycle. This section will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of best practices, equipping you to manage model lifecycles effectively and sustainably. Troubleshooting is an inevitable part of managing MLflow Model Registry workflows. Common issues may arise, such as version conflicts, metadata discrepancies, or integration failures. Identifying these problems early is crucial for maintaining workflow efficiency. Implementing effective debugging techniques, such as logging and monitoring, aids in diagnosing issues accurately. Resolution strategies involve applying targeted fixes and verifying their effectiveness. Preventive measures, including regular audits and updates, help minimize the occurrence of issues. Additionally, leveraging available resources and support, such as MLflow documentation and community forums, can provide valuable insights and solutions. This section will arm you with the knowledge to troubleshoot effectively, ensuring minimal disruption to your model management processes. In conclusion, mastering MLflow Model Registry workflows is a vital skill for any data scientist or ML engineer aiming to streamline their model management processes. We've explored the intricacies of setting up and using the MLflow Model Registry, from initial setup to managing version transitions and automating deployments. The knowledge and skills you've gained today will empower you to maintain reliable, production-ready models efficiently. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead in the fast-paced world of machine learning. We encourage you to apply these learnings in your projects and explore additional resources to deepen your understanding. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey, and we look forward to seeing how you leverage MLflow to enhance your model management workflows.